Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to give your images a clean, eye-catching look by adding a white border in Canva, you're in the right place. Maybe you're making a YouTube thumbnail, a social media post, or just want your photo to pop a little more. Whatever it is, today I'll walk you through each step, and I promise by the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add that perfect white border in just a few minutes. Let's jump right in. First things first, you want to start by creating a blank canvas. This is your workspace, so choose a size that fits your project. If you're making a thumbnail for YouTube, maybe go for 1280 by 720 pixels, or if it's for Instagram, the standard square works great. Just remember, the canvas size really depends on where your image will end up. Once you've got your canvas ready, take a moment to zoom out if you want a better view and make sure you're comfortable working there. Now head over to the Elements tab on the left sidebar. Here you can search for a person image, but honestly this trick works with any type of photo or even a graphic. Maybe you want to add a white border to a product photo, a pet picture, or even your logo. The steps are exactly the same. For today's example, let's grab a photo of a person. Select one that you like and drag it onto your canvas. Once your photo's on the canvas, the next step is to remove the background. With your image selected, look along the top menu for the BG Remover option. Give it a click. Canva will automatically do the magic. Sometimes this takes a few seconds, especially if the photo is a bit complex, so don't worry if you see a little loading animation. Removing the background is a crucial step because it separates your subject and lets the border stand out all around, not just behind the old background. Once the background's removed, the default canvas background will show behind your image. At this stage, you can actually change the color of your canvas background if you prefer. Some people like a colored background for more contrast, others stick with white. It's totally up to you and the final look you want. Next up, make sure your image is selected, then head into the Edit options. This is usually found at the top or a floating bar above your image. Within the Edit menu, scroll and look for a feature called Shadow. Click into that and then you'll see several shadow effects, but the one you want is Glow. When you click Glow, Canva adds a subtle halo around your image. Now let's customize that glow so it turns into a crisp white border. You'll see settings for color, blur, and intensity. First, change the color of the glow to white. That's what'll give our border that classic clean look. Next, set the blur all the way down to 0. This sharpens the edges so the border is really defined instead of foggy. Finally, crank the intensity up to 100. This makes the border fully opaque and your image really pops against the background. Just like that, you've added a white border. If you want a thicker or thinner border, you can play with the size slider in the glow options, so adjust until it looks just right. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, your image has a professional standout white border, all done right in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. If you run into any trouble or have questions, go ahead and leave a comment below. I'm here to help. And of course, if you want more easy tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe so you never miss a new video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.